So Google-Alphabet beat earnings significantly, certainly on the earnings per share front of things. They did pretty good on revenue too, so they're expecting $86.5 billion in revenue and $1.83 in earnings per share. They did $212 and then just over $88 billion in a quarter, right? So the earnings per share front is significant. If we look over at Schwab, they were projecting 185, not as much as it beat, right? But whatever. They beat, you can see all their previous earnings, right? EPS, this is dramatically above that. So this is a really, really good beat. You see, apparently it's up 4% in after hours. Not surprising. I didn't see what the guidance is. It might be in the earnings call. I might have just missed it. But unless that is bad, the stock should be up. Sometimes you buy the rumor, sell the news. We see that kind of in AMD after earnings release today. They had a decent to good earnings. I think it was good as an investor. However, it's down just because whatever reason. That's just how it works. But you'll probably see this one stay up unless guidance is poor. What really is key to me, obviously ad revenue is going up. You kind of expect that too. It's still a good increase year over year. They beat slightly, right? But I really like this side of things. Cloud revenue, $11.35 billion. They expected 10.8, but last year it was only 8.5, just under 8.5 last quarter, the quarter 1 year ago. So year over year, that is very, very good. That's what you want to see. So they did 1.55 in quarter 3. We can see that here. So yeah, this is a really, really good earnings. Is it a crush? Crush. I think it is, probably. Articles and YouTube videos are always going to overemphasize something. Google earnings, they were good. They just were. Was it a crush? Probably. Certainly on the earnings per share front, the revenue front, probably not, right? But this is a very good earnings. I don't know if it's an outlier. If you see, like I said, if they guide well and they expect this kind of earnings per share in the future, you're probably going to see this stock stay up. And this is actually, I believe, one of the cheapest of the Mag 7 on the PE front. I think some people are worried that they're going to lose their dominance in search to AI. Is that a real thing to be worried about? I don't know. It's kind of hard to expect them to lose that. And they're pouring a lot of money into AI, from my understanding. So maybe that's just why they're undervalued, certainly compared to Amazon, Microsoft, and Meta, and Tesla. I believe Apple. I'm trying to think of the last few. NVIDIA, yes. So they probably are the cheapest of the Mag 7. But yeah, this is a good earnings for Alphabet. This is this is probably more than you hope for as a shareholder. So that's positive. Is this like NVIDIA, some of those NVIDIA earnings? No, but this is really, really good earnings, right? So if you can keep seeing performances like this out of Google, beats like this out of Google, you're going to do very, very, very well, considering where their PE is as well. Let's take a brief look at that. Yeah, 21 forward PE. It's dramatically the cheapest Mag 7 stock. So I'm sure most of you they're also starting to pay a little dividend. That's nice. But I'm sure most of you who are Alphabet shareholders are very happy by this. Let me know what you think down in the comments section. This is a good earnings, right? I've said it a few times. So I'm sure most of you are happy about it. I cover lots of similar stocks on this channel. Going to cover a lot more earnings in the next few weeks, as there are quite a few. If you enjoy this video, I appreciate if you left a like, subscribe, check out some other stuff. But that's all I got. Thanks for watching the video.